With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says choose the correct set of diseases transmitting the arthropod. So disease transmitting arthropod means that these arthropods are going to act as vector for one or the other disease. So we need to find out the complete set out of these four options which are given here. The first one is the cc fly. While we see that the cc fly is a vector for the trypanosoma, so let's write it down. It is the vector for the trypanosoma gambians, and this trypanosoma gambians is associated with the sleeping sickness which affects the brain, and thus the patient feels sleepy and lethargic all through the day. So this is a vector for that one. While housefly is a vector for many diseases including the typhoid as well as the amoebic dysentery. So that means all the diseases which are transmitted through contaminated food and water, this can act as a vector. While the rat flea is of the bubonic plague. Through the rat flea we say that is a xenopsilla. Xenopsilla is going to act as a vector for the bubonic plague. So xenopsilla is a rat flea, while sand flea is the vector for the Leishmania donovani, which is the causative organism for the dum-dum fever, or it is also called as Kala Azar. While this sandfly is called as the phlebotomus, and many other species of it may be associated with the causing of acting as a vector for this particular disease. So phlebotomus, urgent types, and other species are associated. Now here we see all the four are the vectors for one or the other disease. So here we can mark option number 1 as a right answer for this question, while we see in the other options Anopheles is associated with causing of the malaria. Louse is also going to cause the disease which is called as typhus fever, whereas housefly already explained. The termites they do not act as vector, though they feed on the wood, but they do not act as vector. So termite is the wrong option here. Termite is also given in the option number 3, so this is also wrong. While in the option number 3 there is cockroach. So cockroach also contaminates the food and the water sources by acting as a saprozoic organism, and it feeds on the fecal matter also, and then it comes and again sits on the food. So this is also one of the vector, whereas termite is not. And the fourth option, butterfly, acts as a pollinator, and it is not a vector of any of the disease causing agents, right? So this is a pollinator. So the four options, the entire set is correct in case of option number 1. So we can mark option number 1 as a right answer, that is cc fly, housefly, rat flea, and sandfly. All these are going to act as a disease transmitting arthropod. So we can mark option number 1 as the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.